Okay. It's all right. It's all right. All right. The drawing, guys, has been completed. So, this painting that I've been looking for just came to me. Like I said, God works in mysterious ways. Who's that? Sino yan? Sino yan?
It's a manga.
It's a manga. Yes. Oh. This is what I'm wearing now. So, ES, people think, what do you think this means, guys? What do you think this means?
Oh, sorry.
People don't know it. Yes, I'm in Spain. But what do you think this is, Sebastian?
Spain, yes.
But funny thing is, why I look like you? Why you make me look like you? It's a darker skin. But this is where it's at. We're having a Kamayan. We're gonna eat with our hands. I wash my hands. Good to go. Right. Here I am in Nellin's house. We met earlier on the street when I was with Maria, Travel Ness. And so one of the things I do when I travel, I always try to find a painting. When I went to Ethiopia, I found an authentic painting from a Habesha artist. And it's in my house currently as we speak. And also I went to Japan, found a nice pastel type of thing. I was able to put it on the wall. So in this particular Baha'i, they have their own paintings. So when I went to Italy, I tried to find a painting, but I couldn't find one because at the time, in December 2019, that was just a couple days ago, it's still December, they were using spray paint. And yes, that's artistic, but I didn't want my clothes smelling like spray paint. I don't really feel that's too, I don't know, artistic. If that's something new, that's cool, but I want paint with a brush on canvas, oil if I can. So here we have one of the friends of Maria Travel Ness, and this is Sebas. We call him Sebastian. So you were born in ¿de dónde es, Peru?
Yes, it's Peru. Yes.
So he was born in Peru. So he's here living in Spain at this time. So he mentioned one of his talents was that he does manga. For any of you guys out there who knows anything about manga, they do Japanese, what do you call that manga? Comics, yes. You know, so different type of things like that. So he immediately asked for a ball pen, or actually a pencil at the time, but they didn't have one, and he started drawing. So to my amazement, the stick figure that he's doing at this time sort of looks like me. Go figure. So I don't want to ruin the artist's photos because he's actually in the middle of doing it, but I'll just show you a quick shot of what it looks at ahora. And then probably within the next hour or so, it may be complete with that painting that I was already looking for.
Which, here or there?
What do you want to call your house? Okay. It's all right. It's all right. All right. The drawing, guys, has been completed. So this painting that I've been looking for just came to me. Like I said, God works in mysterious ways. Who's that? Sino yan? Sino yan?
It's a picture is a manga.
It's a manga. Yes. Oh. All right. So, Señor Sebastian just finished this in less than what? 20 minutos?
Oh, sí, 20 minutos.
20 minutos.
20 minutos. It's
so,
a boli.
with a ball pen, guys.
Solo boli. Ahí está.
All right. It gave me a little bit of shoulder pads almost. Look at that. So,
esto te lo llevas para tu casa.
This is what I'm wearing now. So, ES, people think, what do you think this means, guys? What do you think this means?
Oh, sorry.
People don't know it. Yes, I'm in Spain. But what do you think this is, Sebastian?
Spain, yes.
This is España? Come on, you're from Peru. You're from the Americas, so you should know what this is. But it does look good. Oh, you put the hombro. Oh wow. Cain.
Yes.
All right. So, you think this is España?
España is it?
Okay. I'm gonna let you be the YouTuber.
Okay.
Now.
El Salvador. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, now El Salvadorians want to fight now. You know, you gotta know. So no, El Salvador.
El Salvador, claro.
So, okay, claro.
El Salvador.
No. That's not what I'm wearing. So.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Quitar esto.
Oh, this is the Boodle Fight.
Yeah,
okay.
you know Boodle Fight?
No. So,
Toma,
gracias,
De
señor.
nada.
I want to say muchas gracias para la
Un placer.
painting.
Para
All right.
ti, para tu casa.
Yes. And I will put this in my house. This is me para un gran YouTuber. YouTuber. And this is your signature down there? Sebas. All right. All hands in the pocket. Got everything. All right. I'm fit today. All right.
One moment.
Oh, he's going to take a photo as well. There you go. Boom. I think this is a great thumbnail. This is a great thumbnail right here. But funny thing is, why I look like you? Why you make me look like you? It's a darker skin. But it's fine. Yeah, so, all right. So, all right. So you never know, guys. You come to different places and you get wonderful gifts. So I got to roll this up somehow so I can get this back to Estados Unidos. So today we're going to have a Boodle Fight here, a Filipino Boodle Fight. And they have a whole bunch of different foods, all the foods that we bought earlier in the day. More Kaibigans. How you doing? What's your name?
Glaiza.
Lights, I'm JC.
Hello, I'm Nellin.
Hi?
Nellin.
Are you coming to shop for me? I see you got the both sides just ready for me? Oh, okay, let's do it. What about you guys? Are you going to buy anything today?
Yes. Pusit.
Pusit. You going to get some squid?
Yes.
Wow. So is the squid better here or in Mindoro?
Mindoro.
Oh, why? It's fresher or what?
Yes, more fresh.
Oh, wow.
A lot of fish.
A lot of fish, a lot of pusit? All right. Did you guys get what you wanted?
No, not yet.
Bakit?
There's a line.
Oh.
A long line. Huh?
Do you want me to skip for you? No, I'm playing. Joke lang. Joke. All right, Liza. What did you guys actually get? This is a lot of meat.
It's not meat.
What is
Seafood.
it? What is it? What kind of fish? Secret.
Talong.
Yes, that's I put that in my sinigang. It's just green beans. Yeah, sitaw. Yeah, this is like a whole sinigang mix right here. You can use this. You got some taro, got some gabi. You can use the sitaw portions if they didn't cut it off. Yeah, you got lettuce, whatever you call it. I don't know. But yeah, if you want sinigang, all in one area here at the mercado. Oy. So what are you guys actually trying to get? What are you going to buy? Tomates?
Yes.
That's it? Are you going to help them cook all this?
So, do you want
Is that for me?
No, it's for me.
Oy. Oy. We're just going to put it on the table on this tin foil and eat with our hands. I think we're going to eat with our hands, right? Kamayan? This is a Kamayan? We're going to eat with our hands?
Yes.
All right. Kamayan. Look at that. That thing is steaming on the table.
Not allowed the spoon.
Even though you're using a spoon right now.
Not now. Later.
Later. Mamaya?
Mamaya.
All right.
Sebas, estos para challenge, okay?
Okay.
Para i... Sí!
Okay, perfect.
Para mi canal.
Perfect.
I don't know about any
Perfect.
challenges. My stomach can't
Perfect.
handle it. Look at that. Got the tomatoes ready. Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right, guys. I'm not gonna show everything in regards to this Boodle Fight. So we're just gonna enjoy ourselves and relax on my last day here in Madrid. All right. Thank you, guys.
No.
Oh, no. No. All right. Sorry, guys. Bye. All right, guys. The main course is done. So we have some alimasag.
Wait,
That's it?
one moment. Wait,
We got some isda. Just pretty much everything. I'm not gonna go and say every little Filipino word, but this is where it's at. We're having a kamayan. We're gonna eat with our hands. I wash my hands. Good to go. All right. Looks yummy, right?
Yay.
Looks masarap.
You know this?
Ano? Ano to? Oh,
vinegar.
Pica.
We-
Picante.
Very
So
Pinakurat.
spicy.
Perfect.
oh.
Yeah.
Sasawan ng bayan. Bayan. All right. So you're just gonna throw that on top?
No.
Oh, it's just it's
separate.
separate, just for the ones who want it. All right, ladies, you have done a bomb job. All right, kudos to you.
Oh, thank you.
All right, All right, guys. Time to eat. All right, guys, here it is. Here it is, guys. I was able to pick up the car. It was pretty easy to do here at the Port of Baltimore. And here is the Toyota Century, guys. 1992. I'm not gonna do a full inspection for you here because I gotta get on the road, put these plates on, and get an inspection for Virginia. But this is how it looks, guys. This is a Class 4. Auctions in Japan stated that it's a 4 on the outside and a C on the inside. And I don't agree with the C. I think it's actually a B plus, to tell you the truth.